design, road design, road design.
Cars, trucks, SUVs, even diesel tags. Best mechanic on the planet, ain't no need to scratch. Every issue attack like a lion. Got a problem, indeed we'll find it. Pop the hood, we gon' get up inside it. Fix it up, start it up.
Alright, Tim Rogers on here. We back. The Midwest Mobile Mechanic Tour, working on the 2015 Volkswagen Passat. Getting ready to change out the brake calipers and the pads. The tools you're going to need is a triple square 14 12 millimeter socket or wrench, some pliers, a little small flathead screwdriver, and some big channel locks. Getting ready to transfer over this brake line to this new caliper and put the new caliper on. You guys, I already did the other side already. I'm gonna show y'all real quick everything back together. Already put that on. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, everything that makes the algorithm go up. If you guys want to support the channel, you can get merch from Road to Zion, the #2Zion.com. Let's go, Team Road to Zion. Many hands make light work. Alright, Team Road to Zion. So this is the model that I had this for training from the logo. I got everything assembled except for this right here. Right now I'm over here using the triple square 14 to break these caliper bracket bolts loose with it. Once I get these, I'm going to put the new bracket on, the caliper bracket, and then I put the caliper in place and tighten up that bottom brake line. The tool that you need to take off the brake line with is an 11 millimeter wrench. Once you do that, you can get the brake line out. Just giving you guys a heads up, man. These triple square tools right here, man. Keep these. You will need these a lot on Volkswagens, BMWs, all these vehicles like that tend to use these triple squares. So get you a set if you plan on working on German cars. Stay tuned for the install of everything. Okay, well, the Zion, I got the new caliper on, the new bracket, the new brake pad. Getting ready to tighten up the caliper bolts right here with the 13 millimeter. Tighten up this brake line with an 11 millimeter, and I'm gonna relieve the system out. Make sure there's no air in the lines and get it back on the ground. Let's go, Road to Zion.